Hi guys, and I'm doing a tiny vlog of what I got for my birthday. I didn't get any of you guys subscribing, so I'm really upset. So Shadow owed me, because I told him. Anyway, number one, I got that SpongeBob George Life. Been on it about 10 or 20 minutes ago. George Life, the next chapter. Yeah, went on that yesterday. Pokemon White. Went on that today. Just watch. Haven't bought it yet. And a touch charger and a Wii remote charger. Another Wii remote. And another nunchuck, so that's really cool. Now me and Shadow Homie will be able to do 2 chocolates. Very tasty. I got Lego Alien Conquest ship. Here's the box. Yes, it does light up. I'll show you that in one of my mini vids what I'll do later. I got an Angry Bird. Makes noises. Yeah. Puffle keychain. Doesn't do anything. Set of binoculars. Like shape lenses. Get them out later. And there's my big puffle cushion. Got that from home. So yeah guys, if you didn't subscribe 2 days ago, my birthday, please subscribe today. See ya.